Okay, so this is just going to be a quick review of how to solve speed problems like the ones that we looked at today in class. So this is actually going to be question number 4 from the homework, and it says you're in a traffic jam on the highway. In the 30 minutes or half an hour that you've been on the highway, you've only gone 2.25 miles. What is your speed in miles per hour during this horrible traffic jam? So again, like we did in class today, we're going to start out by sort of underlining the information that we're given because this is going to inform the formula that we're going to use and the way that we're going to approach the problem. So off the bat, I can see that we've been traveling for 30 minutes or 0.5 hours. And we've been on the highway and we've only gone 2.25 miles. So we've got these 2 bits of information, and we're going to need to pick out what to do next, right? So according to our steps for solving these types of problems, the first thing that we're going to do is write down the variables that we use in a speed problem. So those are speed, distance, and time. So let's go ahead and set this up. Speed equals d equals and t equals. So we'll set that up. And now we just have to identify from the information that we're given what's what. 30 minutes is a unit for time. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in over here. 30 minutes. And they also tell us that it is 0.5 hours, which is going to be some important information for us. They also tell us that we've gone 2.25 miles. Miles is a unit of distance, and so we'll plug that in for the distance, 2.25 miles. Okay, now they want to know what is your speed. So the question that we're answering here is this: what is your speed? That's the variable that we're going to be solving for, so we'll just leave that as S. Okay, and so now we've got our variables all done here. So now we'll write the formula for speed. Speed equals distance divided by time, and then we'll go ahead and rewrite the formula, substituting in the variables that we've got. So they tell us that the distance that we've traveled is 2.25 miles, and then we have to fill in the time. Now here's the key thing for this problem. Now they tell us that they want to know the speed in miles per hour during this horrible traffic jam. So we've got 2 units for time, we've got 30 miles, or we've got 0.5 hours. In order to report out the units we want, we're going to go ahead and pick this 0.5 hours as the time that we use. So we've rewritten our formula, plugged in the variables, and the only thing left to do now is just plug these numbers into the calculator. And when we do this, 2.25 miles in 0.5 hours gives us a speed of 4.5 miles per hour. And the last thing that we do to signify that we're done with the problem is circle that answer and the units so that Mr. Munzer can tell that we understand what we're doing, and that's our answer. Now, so our final answer here is 4.5 miles an hour, or a really, really slow speed to be going during this horrible traffic jam.